Hey everyone, welcome to Roman Just Codes. I am Roman, Google developer expert in Flutter, and in this video I will show you how to build the UI portion of the Twitter Spaces feature. You know, that feature that Twitter copied from Clubhouse? Wait, you say I shouldn't be saying that? That Twitter copied from Clubhouse, even though they did? Okay, that's fine. I'll just scratch that. You know, that feature in Twitter where a bunch of people all over the world just come together and talk, listen, and learn from each other in real time. Pretty much a copy of Clubhouse. We will build out the bottom sheet that slides up, shows all the users in the space, their statuses of whether they're muted or speaking, as well as one of the main features, the Twitter emojis. I will show you how to build the emoji selector, as well as trigger the multiple actions that display each emoji inside of the user's bubble. No additional libraries other than the provider package. In this video, you will learn about communication between widgets using a very simple yet powerful state management strategy such as provider, creating custom widgets, as well as explicit animations. Well, we have a lot to cover, so let's get started.